If your call center has at least 10 agents and handles high volumes of outbound calls, you should explore the Predictive Dialer, a tool that automates the dialing process, minimizing your agent's downtime. With the Predictive Dialer, the system dials multiple numbers simultaneously and connects an agent only when a contact answers. A call center team can maximize their outreach and productivity with predictive mode, as it ensures they spend more time talking to potential customers. Now let's look closer at the Predictive Dialer algorithm and how it works. The dialer initially starts by reaching out to multiple contacts, which ensures the highest possible volume of ongoing calls. When the contact answers, the system then connects them to an agent. If you are concerned about contacts waiting on the line, this is what you should know. MightyCall's Predictive Dialer algorithms predict the availability of the next agent and constantly analyze call center metrics, such as contact list engagement and the number of abandoned calls. Thanks to this, when a contact is on the line, the likelihood of them waiting for an agent is minimal, as the system makes sure there is an agent available by the time the contact picks up. If the contact doesn't answer or there is a voicemail, the system then starts dialing the next number on the list. This ensures agents are connected only to calls with a real person on the line, further minimizing downtime. Now let's look at the settings that can be customized in Predictive Dialer mode in MightyCall. Reading agent time, the period of time when the system is trying to reach an agent with a contact already on the line. Wrap-up time, time spent on after-call tasks. Max ring time, this is how long the system rings the contact. Default retry period, when the contact will be dialed again. Max attempts per number, this is the total number of calls allowed per each contact's number. And abandon rate, which is the percentage of calls when a contact hangs up before an agent is even connected to the call. You can customize all these settings depending on your campaign's goals to make sure your call center is performing at its absolute best. If you're concerned about predictive mode causing call overload or potential fines for regulatory violations, rest assured it won't happen with the MightyCall dialer. Here you can set the maximum abandon rate for your campaigns, ensuring compliance with the regulations. On top of this, you get to set up system dispositions, in other words, what happens in case of these call outcomes that are independent of agents. And then agent dispositions are the call outcomes available to the agents after a conversation with the contact. You can include the default options or customize them specifically for the campaign's goals. Thanks to agent dispositions, you'll be able to get a breakdown of the campaign call outcomes and its overall performance. One more MightyCall highlight is the National DNC List Scrubber, a tool that cleans your contact lists from the phone numbers included in the National Do Not Call Registry, ensuring you comply with the FCC and FTC regulations and avoid any potential fines. Additionally, you can upload your internal Do Not Call list, making sure you don't initiate any unwanted calls by accident. So overall, if your call center has at least 10 agents and your goal is to maximize the number of outbound calls, the Predictive Dialer is the right tool to use. It's ideal for handling high-volume calls, including cold calls, while keeping agents' downtime to the lowest possible level. And finally, if you want to learn how the predictive mode differs from other types of dialers, such as preview and progressive, check out this video here.